Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to determine whether a cell in Excel is a formula or a number. So to do that, I've set up a very simple spreadsheet. And if you look here, I've got a column of letters and then a corresponding column of numbers. And most of these cells are numbers, and one of them is a formula. So to determine which ones are which, you simply take your cursor and click on the cell and look in this area here, which I will zoom in on. It's called the formula bar. And you'll see that the contents of the formula bar are the same as the contents in the cell, which means that the cell is defined as a number. Now, we go down to the one at the bottom here, where I've set up a formula, and we go to that same formula bar, and we look at it, and we see that it has an equals sign, and then a series of references to the cells in that column. And what it's doing is it's a formula that's adding up all of the numbers in the column, just the same as you would do in a calculator, but it's defined it here. And the key to determining if it's a formula is if it starts with an equal sign. Anytime the contents of a cell in the formula bar up here starts with an equal sign, that's a formula. So I hope this was helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to determine if the cell in Excel is a formula or a number. Thank you for watching.